Why do 77% of high-performing projects use specialized tools? Let's dive into the secret sauce of business efficiency. Imagine having a bird's-eye view of every detail in your project. That's what project management tools bring to your business. These powerful tools help you plan, execute, and monitor all aspects of your projects. Let's break it down. First, control. With real-time dashboards, you know exactly where things stand. Missed deadlines, budget overruns, a thing of the past. Next, time saving. Automated task assignments and reminders mean spending less time in meetings and more time getting things done. Cost saving? Absolutely. Better planning leads to efficient resource use, cutting down unnecessary expenses. And finally, streamlined processes. These tools integrate tasks, communications, and documentation in one place. No more hunting through emails for that lost file. Ready to boost your productivity and deliver on time every time? Embrace the power of project management tools.